Hi you guys, thank you for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my bedroom tour, so I'll be touring you guys around this room, and yeah, that's about it. So where I was filming earlier was my room in here, but I just wanted to do a video of me going in and then I'll explain everything, okay? Okay, so front camera, this is my room. So right when you walk in, let me zoom it out a little. Okay, so this is my room. I only have 3 pairs of shoes, and those are the items that I'll be shipping out on Monday. And I have my doggy gate. Whenever I open my door, I put the doggy gate right there. And I have the shirt hanging because I was fixing the buttons on there. I have my clock. My room is very simple, okay? I don't have much. That's my July calendar. And then these are pictures of everyone that I love. All my love. Uh-oh, this one's blocked. I don't know why. But yeah. The people that I love. Okay, and then this wall is just my notes and stuff. I like to put it there so right when I come in I'll see it. And then right here is my toiletry stuff, my wallet. I like to charge my phone on this outlet. I don't know why. These are some masks that I made to use for work, and I just wash it daily, hang it up. My panda hat, some of the stuff that I use. Like I said, this is just all my toiletry stuff. I don't keep it in the bathroom. I don't know why, but yeah, I just like my stuff, my personal stuff with me. So here is my closet. So up here is just all my shipping stuff. Right here is actually my what is it, my little neck pillow, and then some other stuff. And then these are just all my boxes, different size boxes. Up here I use Air Jacket a lot besides the regular USPS. And then down here I have some bigger boxes at the corner in case I need to ship something out. In this little box here I have some stuff that I sell on my Etsy. And here's just my bucket of dirty clothes. And my clothes, I have a lot of white shirts because I love wearing white. And then lately I've been wearing a lot of black too, but usually I just wear a lot of white and blue stuff. So that's it for my closet. So on to this side. Down here, everything in this one is all my roommate stuff. I got this drawer when I came to Mesa here, so the stuff inside are not mine. However, these DVDs are mine. I don't know who still watches them, but then I got a few of these for free, so I'm gonna wait and take it back to my kids. My earrings, I was wearing it the other day. I just didn't put it away yet. And over here are just some eyelashes that I didn't put away yet. These are just the ones that I custom made with one of my friends. And then these items up here, the 2 watch and the mask. These are watches. I don't know who sent them to me, but I've been getting stuff from like people that I didn't buy them, so people sent them to me and I don't know who it belongs to, so I leave over here. So yeah, so the watches and the mask are not mine. And then these, I just need to find some place to put it, like a jar or something to put my loose coins. And I just have some pins there because I like pinning stuff and taking it off. So let me back up so you can see my whole wall. This is my wall. Okay, so first of all, up here, this one, I just have about like maybe 6 to 10 yards of my green fabric. Let's look at it. So this shiny green fabric that I have on my Etsy shop, Then down here, just my personal stuff. This is 2 skirts that I own, and I just have some like sewing stuff in the back here. And down here is just my undergarment stuff. Down here is just my Cricut book. So just like teach me how to play with my Cricut. And down here is just my cabinet of like food. So I have these in here. I have stuff in the kitchen as well, but then it's pretty full, so I keep some stuff in here so I don't take up all the room. And this one is actually the junk food one. So I have a bunch of like chocolate in the bag, and then some Mexican candy, just so like sometimes I can munch on them. And then this one is kids clothes. It's pretty full now. I have to box it up, but I like to always buy things for like my nieces and nephews, and I just stick it in here, and then whenever I go back home, I'll bring it to them. And then this has my blender in there. I have 2 blender actually for like my drinks, because I drink a smoothie a day at least. Sometimes I do like 2 or 3 smoothie because I'm crazy like that, but at least 1 smoothie a day. So up here is just my tote bags, and just some of these Ziploc bags that I use to pack my stuff before I box them up. And these are just some of my shipping bags and stuff. I just keep in here so I don't have to always climb up my closet. And I didn't have room to put my hats, my Hmong hat, so I put it in there. Okay. Up here is my polyfill fiber. I bought that because I like to stuff like a lot of my things with like little cotton stuff, so I bought that. I just haven't used that pack yet. And then this one is my shopping bag that I usually take shopping with me. I just throw it up there. Okay, so down here is just my lamp. I keep this lamp on at night, so I just turn it on and then I close it like that, so it just stays on all night, because it gets very dark here in my neighborhood, so I just like a light to be on. Usually I can sleep without a light, but you know, sometimes, a lot of times I stay home alone, so I do that. And this is kind of like a miscellaneous stuff where I have all my electronic, and I guess I threw my earrings in there too. Okay, so this one has my office supply stuff like printing paper and my post-it notes and stuff. Up here is also the same, more of supplies. And then these 2 at the end are actually the stuff that I use most. So I have like a lot of my my supplies here. These are actually like my sewing stuff. I'm actually working on this this cross stitch that I'm not done with. And up here is a bunch of my trims that I use, and I make stuff. I put it on my Etsy, and so I have more trim in the back, all trims, and they're so pretty. I bought this white and black fabric that I have not yet used. Okay, so up here, funny story, I actually sleep on the floor. So this is actually my set of blankets and stuff that I use when I go to sleep, and that when I wake up I just put it up on here, and then when I go to sleep I'll put it on the floor. And right here is all like my homework stuff that I have that I still have to work on. These are just like extra scrap paper, my glasses. Down here is my planner. I feel like my life is not straight without a planner, so I love having a planner. This bag is actually going to my sister-in-law. I just keep forgetting to send it to her, but I will be going home next month, so I'll bring it to her. I have a pill box. For those of you who know me, back in March I was really sick with like cluster headaches, so I took some pills, so I just bought this organizer to put my pills in there. But that's long gone, so I don't use it anymore. I have a lei. I don't know how you call this in English, but I have a lei. I was hoping to go lei at the park, but that plan didn't work out. And then my backpack's down there. Up here I have my Polaroid 3 light setting. Pretty nice with the little clip right here. Yep, for my phone. And then I love taking notes, so I have my notepads. Here's my iPad, and I like to have 2 calculators just because I'm more like that. And these stuff, and then I love my diffuser, my aroma diffuser. So I took my phone off my case just so I could record better for you guys. So on my desk, this is what's on my desk right now. So my charger, my phone case, and these are things that I am actually going to put onto my Etsy. The masks I made, these are actually shipped to me, and they asked me if I could put it on my Etsy, so I told them yeah. So I'm gonna put it on my Etsy shop. And I don't know why I don't get like a cup to put my pens in, but I like my pens out so I could see them. And I have a lighter because, you know, I smoke. No, I'm kidding. I don't smoke, but then sometimes I have like candles, so I like to lit my candles up so I could burn like my fabrics that I'm using, or sometimes I just like to have like a scented candle on, so I keep that there. I have my lint roller here because I'm always like rolling all the time because we have like a lot of dogs and cats, so there's a lot of messy stuff around. So here is my little souvenir that I got from Rome. This is like a compass. And my cup, this is the only cup that I own, kitchen gadget that I have. I have it in here. Usually I don't keep it in my room, but because I just had some juice, it was in my room. And my scissors and shipping supply stuff, I still have it out because I was shipping those stuff. So I still have it up. And these beads, I just bought them because they were on sale. I'll probably do something with it and put it on my Etsy. I don't know yet. Right here, I got these 2 bags of items from Amazon. I'm going to work on a project, and I'll show you guys later. And just my trash can. And down here, just my printer. And over here, it's souvenir from Thailand. Right here is Egypt, and then right here is just a toy that I don't know where I got it from. And these are just more office supply stuff. There's nothing in this one. And then just more pens. I love using like different color pens because I like to be very organized. So I love reading these travel books and these health and fitness books. So I like subscribing to I get a free subscription every month, so I've been reading those. Up here is where all my makeup stuff are. I seem to have a lot of makeup, but I actually don't have a lot of makeup. And down here is my hair stuff. And down here is more of my sewing stuff with more of my yarns and threads and stuff in here. And in this little box, it actually has a bunch of safety pins and a lot of bobby pins. And yeah, guys, that is everything about my room. Nothing else. My room is pretty simple, but I thought I still do a video on it because it's highly requested of me. So yeah, here you guys go. Thank you for always requesting videos from me, although sometimes I don't have time to do them. I'll try my best to do them as much as possible because I'm not doing anything right now. So yes. Okay, well, bye guys.